Last week, I was called into work, but our challenge was to get our big rig RV out of this poorly maintained campground. And things did not go well.
Hold on. It's scraping at the back. Hey, stop.
Got some problem with the spring. Broken spring up there. I see it now. Just walking out the route where we've got to go to get up onto the flat. There's big humps here. Don't know what damage we're going to do by pulling that trailer with a broken spring. Alright, found a flat spot just in front of the toilets there. That's what we need, is a flat spot so we can jack up the trailer. So that's the plan right now, is to get it there. We're going to have to really go very slowly. I just called work and told them I can't come, and they said, oh, we'll call you back. And okay, you can call me back if you want. And that guy, his maintenance, he's not the ranger. He says, yes, that's a good idea, park it up there. And it shouldn't be a problem. But when we head out, go via the administrative office and tell them. And he says it should be fine.
He's on the radio.
Copy. Oh, look at the wheels. It's not aligned. Looks good. Keep going. Slowly.
The rock on the left.
We're clear on the left. There's a rock on the right. The back wheel looks really bad. It's like will come off.
So we're gonna back down again onto the flat here. Just gotta go forward a bit and then back down onto the flat.
Copy. So he's trying to go up to there at the back, and we're gonna park here for a few days.
How much further?
A little bit more. Okay, stop.
Wow, this campground was not worth the hassle. Now I can't even go to work. Let's unhitch,
Go to.
go to the admin office, tell them our problem.
Yeah.
Then we come back. What a stress. The biggest stress is the new job. Because I'm training, I'm not on a roster. They think they can just call me up and, oh, you're going to go overseas today. 8 hours notice is what they give me. We were going to do it. We were on the way. It was all sorted. Broken spring. Wow. Yeah, I just told them, give me 2 days. Well, she said she will tell the rangers, and because we're actually still booked there for 2 more nights.
Are we?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to send an email to work, explain.
Yeah. No signal here, B.
No, you're right. All right, let's go set up the Starlink. Is this the way you're coming?
Yeah.
So, just having a quick look, make sure it is what I think it is, and it's definitely one broken. This one here, I think it's only the one. It's thrown the other set of wheels out of balance. These these equalizers here are all sort of wonky because the axle's moved forward, so that's why it looks weird, but it's really just one broken spring. I'm a little worried about this one. The equalizer's extended here, this side, because it's scrunched up that side. It's just all sideways. Well, I'll take the wheel off, take the spring off, and go buy a new one. Gotta find where. That's what I'll start doing. Alright, had to raise the axle, of course, with a separate jack because it's not hanging onto the trailer anymore. Or it is, just by one end, not two ends. Oh no, did I forget one? Oh no. In about a minute, we'll see the damage.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh. Just one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
So, I mean, it looks simple. Often aren't, even if they look simple. But, you know, I've just got 4 bolts up here to undo. The U-bolts, this bolt, and it's out. What a little pissy spring.
That's all.
Well, that's it. Now I just got to go into Denver and try find a new one. I think I might buy 2.
For the other side?
One for spares.
Okay. Daddy!
Ooh,
What
headlight.
happened?
I got 2 brand new springs.
Really?
I rang one guy and he wanted $155 each spring. And I said, all right, I'll be on my way. And then I rang another guy, $65. Oh, some people just
Different
try.
quality?
I don't think so. That sounds ridiculous, 155. It should be $70. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on and
Maybe we can leave tomorrow.
alright, let's get dirty again. I think they're identical. So one of the guys on the phone, he was very helpful, but he was the one charging $155 a spring. He said, oh, you got to replace the bolts as well. You can't use the same bolts. You've got to... he said, oh, your U-bolts will be done. You need new U-bolts. You know, you can sell your kits. It was all about upsell. Well, maybe that is the recommended thing, but, you know, we ain't doing it. So we can't get the spring to reach the bolt hole, and it's because the Equiflex is sitting up sideways because there's weight on this tire. So I think we just need to raise the hydraulic jacks, take the weight off this tire, and then it should fall. Shall we see if that works? All right, I'll go do it. You watch that.
Okay, doing something. Stop. Wait.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Is it on the jack? No. So
Yeah.
yeah, other way. Yeah, that's it. All right.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah.
No.
Does anyone know the torque setting for this? I reckon firm. Just Jamie firm. So that should be finished. I got to get under there actually. There's the sleeves on the 6-pack of leaves. There's a sleeve which keeps coming off, and that sort of helps keep them all together. So I need to go in there and tap that back on, and then we should be done. I hope I did everything satisfactorily. All right. Slides are in. We're ready to pull up the jacks and see if this thing's going to roll straight. The mat is stuck under the tire, so we're going to have to pull that out after we've moved off it. It made some really big bangs when we lowered the jacks, or sorry, raised the jacks, put the weight on the wheels last night, and it was a bit of a worry. What else is breaking? But I've had a look, I can't see anything broken. I think it was just the equalizers, you know, coming straight again, or that's what I'm hoping anyway. My eye still hurts from this.
Let me see.
I don't think you can see any bruise, but it just hurts to move it around. Yeah. All right, let's go.
Yay! That's awesome.
First shot.
First shot. I'm getting good at it, Nabby. Double check.
Yeah, last check before we hit the road properly.
Yeah.
The wheels are in the right spot now, so that's good.
Yeah.
Equiflexes are balanced.
Mm-hmm.
Still got to put rollers on here, don't we?
Yeah. You ordered already, right?
Yeah.
It's only 30 minutes, but should be fine.
That's good.
Let's go.
What?
Shit! Oh my god! How about that? Yeah.
There's a hydraulic jack just there and a gas line for the barbecue.
Yeah. Why always that side? Ever since. Is it sharp?